Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Nothing Phone 3 and the Nubia Red Magic 10S Pro. Today, we're diving deep into what really sets these two apart. Will the Nothing Phone 3's unique LED light strips and balanced camera setup outshine the Nubia's powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and massive 7050 mAh battery? Can the Nubia's blazing 144Hz AMOLED display and advanced cooling system beat Nothing's sleek LTPO OLED and innovative design? We'll compare their cameras, displays, processors, batteries, and more to find out which phone truly delivers the best bang for your buck. So, which one offers the perfect blend of style, power, and performance? Or does the Nubia Red Magic 10S Pro just a gamer's dream that leaves nothing in the dust? Let's get into it. Starting with the main cameras, the Nothing Phone 3 impresses with a versatile triple setup, including a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering 2x optical zoom, perfect for capturing detailed shots from a distance. In contrast, the Nubia Red Magic 10S Pro sticks to a dual-camera system without telephoto, which limits zoom capabilities. That extra zoom on the Nothing Phone 3 makes it a winner for photography enthusiasts who want flexibility. When it comes to size, the Nubia Red Magic 10S Pro boasts a larger 6.85-inch screen compared to the Nothing Phone 3's 6.7 inches, offering more immersive real estate. This is key for gamers and media lovers who crave a bigger canvas for their content, making Nubia's display size a standout. Powering these devices, the Nubia Red Magic 10S Pro features an ultra-fast octa-core CPU with 2 cores clocked at a blistering 4.47 GHz, delivering top-tier performance especially for gaming and multitasking. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 3's CPU peaks at 3.21 GHz, still solid but not quite in the same league for raw speed. Resolution-wise, the Nubia offers a sharper 1216 by 2688 pixel panel with a higher pixel density of 431 ppi, providing crisper visuals compared to the Nothing Phone 3's 1080 by 2412 pixels at 394 ppi. For those who value display clarity, Nubia takes the edge here. Under the hood, the Nubia Red Magic 10S Pro runs on the Snapdragon 8 built on a 3nm process, promising better efficiency and performance than the Nothing Phone 3's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 at 4nm. This chipset difference means Nubia will handle demanding tasks with more power and less heat. Battery life is where Nubia shines with a massive 7050 mAh pack, significantly larger than Nothing's 5150 mAh. This means longer gaming sessions and less frequent charging, a crucial factor for heavy users. The Nubia's AMOLED display not only pushes a higher 144Hz refresh rate, but also reaches a stunning 2000 nits peak brightness, outperforming the Nothing Phone 3's LTPO OLED at 1920Hz and HDR10+. For outdoor visibility and silky smooth scrolling, Nubia's display is king. On the selfie front, the Nothing Phone 3 surprises with a sharp 50-megapixel front camera, a huge leap over Nubia's 16-megapixel under-display shooter. For selfie lovers and content creators, this makes Nothing's front camera the clear choice. Design-wise, Nothing Phone 3 stands out with its signature 11 LED light strips on the back, serving as notifications and camera fill lights, adding a futuristic flair. Nubia counters with a built-in cooling fan and pressure-sensitive touch zones, catering more to gamers. The LED strips give Nothing a unique personality that Nubia lacks. In memory options, Nubia offers a staggering 1 TB storage with up to 24 GB RAM, far exceeding Nothing's max 512 GB and 12 GB RAM. This makes the Red Magic 10S Pro ideal for power users needing massive space and multitasking muscle. Video capabilities see Nubia leap ahead with 8K recording at 30 FPS and super slow motion 1080 at 240 FPS, while Nothing tops out at 4K 60 FPS with gyro EIS and OIS. For videographers craving ultra-high resolution and slow motion, Nubia is the clear winner. Price-wise, Nubia Red Magic 10s Pro comes in slightly cheaper at $750 compared to Nothing Phone 3's $800, making Nubia a better value proposition considering its specs.